The poet was Daphne Lister. And what is the meaning of treasure? Treasure means the precious thing, like money, gold, diamonds, so all the riches. But what are the sea's treasures? Does sea have all this money or riches like gold, jewels, all this? No. But what sea is telling its treasure? Let's see in the poem. Let's see the first stanza. In swept the sea with a swirl and a swish, it shimmered and whispered, choose what you wish. Look here, children. Inswept the sea. Inswept the sea means, see, if you observe the sea water, it rushes with force, isn't it? So that is here called sweeping. So swept is the past tense of sweep. Okay, children. So inswept the sea, when the sea waters are washing away with a swirl and a swish. Swirl means a quick movement forming a circle. It forms some whirls, no? Like circles, like ripples. Yes or no? So that is called swirl and a swish. Do you love the sound or the music of beach, children? It makes a music. Have you observed? When sea waves are moving forward or backward, it makes a music. That means it makes a sound. That is called swish. Swirl, swish. There is alliteration. It shimmered and whispered. Shimmered. Shimmered means it shows with a soft light which seemed to shake. Whenever lighting is falling on the waves, it shines like jewels, isn't it? So that is called shimmered, shimmering. Okay. And whispered. Whispered means we can observe that it speaks. The music of beach here conveys as whispered, a soft voice. If you give your ear to the beach, it speaks something to you. That is called whisper, a soft voice or a very quiet voice of the beach. And it says, choose what you wish. What does it say? Choose what you wish. Whatever you want to take, you can choose from the sea. So, once again, shall we read the stanza? Inswept the sea with a swirl and a swish, it shimmered and whispered, choose what you wish. Second stanza. Here, sea asked to choose our wish, no? So, what he can give? Let's see. Second stanza. And the sea showed its treasures at the edge of the shore, shining bright pebbles and shells by the score. Again. And the sea showed its treasures at the edge of the shore, shining bright pebbles and shells by the score. Children, from this stanza you can understand what are the treasures of the sea. What are the treasures? Here at the edge of the shore, what can you find? Shining bright pebbles. That means a little stones we can see at the beach. Soft, smooth stones. Do you like them? Yes, they are called pebbles. Little stones. Okay? And shells by the score. See, while you are counting shells, you make some counting, right? While you are collecting the shells, we can make some counting. So that is, he is calling as score. So who collected more shells? That is their score. So on basing this stanza explains that. And the sea showed its treasures at the edge of the shore, shining bright pebbles and shells by the score. Now third stanza. Long ribbons of seaweed that shone gold and red, I'll share them, the sea softly said. Long ribbons of seaweed that shone gold and red, I'll share them, the sea softly said. Look here, children, how nicely. Look here, children, long ribbons of seaweed. Sometimes we see weed on the pools of water also, no? So here seaweed. Seaweed means a grass like which grow on the shores of the seas and over the waters. Okay, so that long ribbons, so they appear like ribbons. So that long ribbons that shone gold and red whenever the sun rays are falling over them, they shine like gold and red colors. On basing these colors, they shine. Okay, Nana? So what sea says here? I'll share them, I'll share. Even those ribbons also the sea wants to share. So the sea softly said, I'll share them, I'll share. So these are all treasures the sea wants to share with us. Do you like to collect the treasures? So tell the sea that we want, we wish to take, we wish to take. Okay, children? This is the poem about the sea's treasures. I hope you like this story and you like this poem. So once again, sing like that, Nana. Okay, learn well. Thank you.